So this is the area I'm reattaching on. So I do an anchor. I'm going to take one of these legs, half of one of these legs, and wrap it back to the root. I'm not pulling anything as I wrap. This is a repair, definitely a reattachment. So I want to make sure that it moves around. You don't have to be able to see.
I didn't need that eye in a way.
Nope. I'll grab the lock that came out with all of its little adornments. I'm gonna comb this part out. It was pulled out at the root, so the roots are white. We're gonna pretend like that part never happened. Kuna Matata.
And the human hair came from the girl I was fighting that pulled out my lock.
No, it did.
And so I snatched her hair out
It did. That's
to
not
reattach my lock because I was like, bing, 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 bing.
You snatched off her wig and you said, I'm gonna make this into my lock as a trophy.
Oh, yeah, that's what happened. I snatched off her wig. I like that better. I snatched off her wig. Yeah, see, Miss Eve, see, Miss Jessie don't believe me because it was like a quick bing, bing, bing. And so I snatched off her wig and I'm using her wig as a trophy to reattach my lock.
So we're putting the puffy part back. These are the little root sections. We're pinching it, isolating the lock. Pinch and wrap. Pinch and wrap. I'm only moving the hair, not the lock. Pinch and wrap. And pinch and wrap. Oh, and don't forget to pinch and wrap.
One more time for the people in the back.
Wrap and pinch. No. Should have got better tickets.